Hey guys, this is Zach. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install McMyAdmin on Linux 64-bit Ubuntu. So to start out, let's log in as a super user, sudo su. We're going to need to install a couple downloads from McMyAdmin. For the first one will be to set up mono. So to set that up, we're going to cd into the directory user local, and then we're going to download a etc.zip, which will extract mono for us. So we will download this file, and from here, I don't have unzip installed, so I'm going to do an apt-get install unzip so that I can unzip this file for you. Alright, now I'll do an unzip etc.zip. Alright, and now we can remove the etc.zip file. Alright, now once that's set up, we can exit back into the normal user. We can do a clear command to clean our screen. Alright, so now we are going to make a directory called McMyAdmin. Oops, I have this command wrong. mkdir. Alright, now we're going to cd into this directory. Now we're going to download the server part, which is this command, wget mcma2. So we'll get this zip. Once it's downloaded, we will unzip it. Okay, here we are. And we can do an unzip MC, capital MC. You can hit tab, should autocomplete. Alright, once that's done, we can do an RM and the file name for the zip to remove it. Now we do an ls. It should show us that we have that one binary file. Alright, now to run this, we can do a ./mc and then hit tab. And then we're going to do a config only. And we're going to set a password. Oops. Set pass. And I'm going to give it the password of QWERTY, and you can change it to whatever you'd like. So this will be the password for the web interface for McMyAdmin. And we'll give this a go. That's the directory I would like. We'll hit yes. Alright, it's going to start up this server. It's going to download the game server, and it's going to exit for us because we decided to run config only. So now we can do a clear to clean our screen. Then we do ls. We can see that we have many more files in here. And one that I would like to change is the amount of RAM that McMyAdmin will have available. And I'll show you that. We can do a vim or vi mcmyadmin.config. You can see that files are right here. Alright. We'll open this up, and this is all the config file. So here we can go through and we can change the Java memory. We'll hit I to load into insert mode, and then we can type in 2048. This will give it 2 gigabytes of memory. You can change the web server port if you wish to just use port 80, which is the default. For HTTP, you may use that, or you can use 8080. And then we're going to hit escape, colon, and then WQ to write and quit. Alright. Now to run the server, we have two options. We can run it as we are now, but the issue is if we close our PuTTY session, it will also close the server. So I'm going to go ahead and install a program called Screen, which will give us the option to disconnect the screen and then close PuTTY, and it will still be in the background. So we'll do an apt-get install screen. I'm sorry, we're gonna need to be in a super user. We can just do a sudo command for that. We can elevate that. Okay, screen was already installed. So now we can do a screen. We can do a -S, and we can name it. I'm gonna name this Minecraft. So we'll load up a screen session. So now we can do a slash capital MC, and we'll start the binary without anything at the end. And this should set up the server for us. Alright, it's saying we must complete the web interface, so let's go ahead and get that started. 192, and there it is. So this is the Apache server that I set before. We're going to change our port to 8080. And here it is. Our username is going to be admin, and our password is going to be the one that we typed in earlier, QWERTY. And we can hit login here. And it's going to say, welcome. Alright, the first thing I would like you to do is to go to the About section, hit the Updates tab, and make sure that you have the current version of McMyAdmin installed. Okay. And now you can go through and set up your configuration. You can set up your server. You can install your server here. It's going to go ahead and download the Minecraft server. You can set up all of the settings that you'd like. You can go up to status and you can hit start server. So this is going to go through and generate you a world, and it should show you the settings here. Server is getting ready to start. Alright, as you can see, we have 2 gigs of memory available, and it's only using 0% of our CPU. So let's go ahead and you can see that I've logged in here. Let me bring this over to the right screen. You can see that I am now in a server. Okay. I'll minimize this and I'll show you how to close this without closing the server. So you can do a Control A at the same time and now tap D. This should disconnect you from that screen. And then you can also connect back to the screen section with screen -R for reconnect. And oh, there you are. And you can do a Control A and then D to disconnect as well. And you can see all the statistics that you like in this program here. And there you have it. You've now set up McMyAdmin, installed a Minecraft server, and are ready to play with your friends. Alright, have a good night.